Am I ever glad I don't have to do this anymore when I use the Save as Copy feature working on a Joomla article? Brought to you by mysites.guru. Get a free site audit for your Joomla site at mysites.guru. Hey there, Joomla fans. Tim Davis here. I'm a Joomla fan too. Thanks for tuning into Maintenance Monday number 321 here in the Basic Joomla channel, where I show you my favorite extensions, tools, and tips for building and maintaining Joomla sites. Also work on Joomla sites. If you're looking to hire someone short-term, long-term, or even just sketch of a spot, send me an email, tim@cybersalt.com, and let's talk. Okay, let's turn our attention to the screen. About 5 months ago, I made a Maintenance Monday video alerting everybody that in Joomla 5, when you selected Save as Copy inside of a Joomla article, the copy that you made would end up automatically being published to your site. And if you weren't finished making that copy, then you probably didn't want that to happen. So what you had to do was, before you went through Save as Copy and did all your stuff, you would then select Unpublished and then make your copy. However, thanks to Robert Fairhead in a discussion on Facebook, he let me know that this has been fixed. And so as you'll see here, when you're making a copy of a Joomla article, you probably just want to do this. Maybe you have a new title for your article. Take away the alias, add a space at the end there. And when you save as copy, you'll get an accurate alias based on your title. And then you're just going to use the drop down, go Save as Copy, and you will notice that when the article is copied, it is automatically unpublished, and now you can finish working on it. When you're sure everything is ready, then go ahead, select Published, save your article, and it will be on your site. Subscribe for more videos. Until the next time, enjoy your Joomla sites, and God bless.